Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find the square root of negative 9 raised to power 4. Again, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to rewrite the radicand as negative 1 times 9 to the 4 equals square root of negative 1 times square root of 9 to the 4, which is equal, instead of square root of negative 1, I'm going to write j times square root of 9 to the 4th is 9 to the 2nd, which is equal j times 9 to the 2nd is equal 81. J times 81 is equal j 81. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. The very first thing which we're supposed to do, we're supposed to copy down this negative sign. Next, I'm supposed to simply convert the decimal form of this number to fraction. Copy down the negative sign, and this is 4 hundredths. Next, we're supposed to reduce this fraction. 4 and 100, both of them are divisible by 4. And I'm going to have negative square root negative 1 over 25. Next, we're supposed to use the properties of radicals and rewrite the radicand as negative 1 times 1 over 25. This is equal negative square root of negative 1 times square root of 1 over 25. Instead of square root of negative 1, I'm going to write j. And I'm going to have square root of 1 over square root of 25, which is equal negative j square root of 1 is equal 1 over square root of 25 is equal 5. This is the solution to my problem.